this afternoon. Total accumulations of snow and sleet will generally range from 1 to 4 inches, with the highest amounts along and north of the Highway 54 corridor in central Missouri. Sleet accumulations can approach an inch. Total ice accumulations of a thin glaze to 1/10 of an inch are expected north of Interstate 44, with accumulations around 1/4 of an inch along and south of Interstate 44. Ice accumulations to around 1/2 of an inch with locally higher amounts may occur along and south of the Highway 60 corridor. Easterly to southeasterly winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts around 35 miles per hour will occur today. The wintry mix will impact travel with rapidly deteriorating travel conditions expected this morning. Freezing rain will accumulate on elevated objects, including trees and power lines. Damage to some trees and power lines may occur along and south of the Highway 60 corridor, which would result in localized power outages and debris in roadways. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice are expected or occurring.
The current time is 8:57 a.m. Central Standard Time.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KWN 55 Jamestown, Missouri, operating on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. This program originates from the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serves portions of central Missouri. We broadcast from the Cumulus Media Tower near Jamestown, Missouri on a transmitter donated by your local electric cooperatives. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for central Missouri, including the cities of Columbia, Jefferson City, California, and surrounding communities. Today, blustery, snow, possibly mixed with sleet and thunderstorms in the morning, and sleet, thunderstorms, snow and freezing rain in the afternoon. Precipitation heavy at times. Snow and sleet accumulation of 4 to 6 inches. A light glazing expected. High in the upper 20s. East wind 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tonight, cloudy, snow, possibly mixed with sleet and freezing drizzle in the evening, then chance of freezing drizzle after midnight. Snow and sleet accumulation just under a ½ inch expected. A light glazing expected. Low in the mid-20s. Southeast wind 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour in the evening, shifting to the south after midnight. Chance of measurable precipitation 60%. Friday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny early in the afternoon and becoming mostly cloudy late in the afternoon. High around 30. West wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, colder, partly cloudy, low around 12. West wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday, partly cloudy, high in the lower 30s. Southwest wind around 10 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly clear, low around 19. Sunday, mostly sunny, high in the mid-40s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain, possibly mixed with snow, low around 30. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain and snow, high in the lower 40s, low around 30. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of snow, possibly mixed with rain, high in the upper 30s. Tuesday night and Wednesday, mostly cloudy, low in the upper 20s, high around 40. Again, the forecast for central Missouri, including the cities of Columbia, Jefferson City, California, and surrounding communities for today. Blustery, snow, possibly mixed with sleet and thunderstorms in the morning, and sleet, thunderstorms, snow and freezing rain in the afternoon. Precipitation heavy at times. Snow and sleet accumulation of 4 to 6 inches. A light glazing expected. High in the upper 20s. East wind 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KWN 55 Jamestown, Missouri, operating on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. This program originates from the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serves portions of central Missouri. We broadcast from a tower near Jamestown, Missouri, from a transmitter donated by the Boone, Callaway, Como, Howard, and Three Rivers Electric Cooperatives. At 8 a.m. in Jefferson City, light snow was falling with a temperature of 25 degrees. The dew point was 16, giving us relative humidity of 68%. The wind was east at 14 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 13, and the pressure was 30.13 inches and falling. In Columbia, light snow was falling with a temperature of 24 degrees. The dew point was 16, giving us relative humidity of 71%. The wind was east at 16 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 11, and the pressure was 30.08 inches and falling. Elsewhere in mid-Missouri, in Sedalia, light snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 23. In Rolla, light snow was falling with a temperature of 22. Across the region, snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/4 of a mile in Kansas City with a temperature of 20. In Springfield, Missouri, light freezing rain and fog were reported, and 29 degrees. In Joplin, light freezing rain was falling, and the temperature was 30. It was cloudy in Cape Girardeau, with a temperature of 28. In St. Louis it was cloudy, and 26 degrees. And at Kirksville it was cloudy, and the temperature was 19 degrees.